Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest gear. Today, we're diving into one of the essentials for maintaining your Briggs and Stratton engine, the Briggs and Stratton 593260 air filter. This air filter is revered among enthusiasts and professionals alike for its reliability and performance. It's specifically designed to fit the 675 XE series engines and the 725 XE series engines, ensuring a perfect match and optimal functionality. Let's talk about why this air filter stands out. Crafted from high-quality materials and adhering strictly to OEM standards. It's not just a filter, it's a guarantee of longevity and efficiency for your Briggs and Stratton engine. The filter's oval style and pleated paper design ensure maximum filtration efficiency, trapping dust, debris, and other particles before they reach your engine. This not only prolongs the engine's life but also boosts its performance under various operating conditions. What I particularly appreciate is its vehicle-specific fit. When it comes to engine components, precision matters. This filter delivers exactly what your Briggs and Stratton engine needs to perform at its peak. While there are alternatives out there, sticking with OEM parts like this one can make a significant difference in your equipment's durability and efficiency. Installing the 593260 air filter is straightforward, even for DIY enthusiasts. Simply follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific engine model to maintain optimal airflow and filtration. Wrapping up, if you're serious about maintaining your Briggs and Stratton engine's health and maximizing its lifespan, the Briggs and Stratton 593260 air filter is a no-brainer. It's designed to fit perfectly, perform flawlessly, and ensure your equipment runs smoothly for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and recommendations. Have questions or want to share your experience with this air filter? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your gear running strong.